Alright guys, it's time for some new flagship phones from Redmi. Last month, the company launched a Redmi K50 Gaming Edition in China, but it's been almost a month since the launch of that phone and there are no new K50 series phones yet. Well, Redmi has officially announced that it is launching the K50 series on the 17th of March in China, which means in just a few days. We know that there are at least two new phones, the Redmi K50 and the Redmi K50 Pro. In typical Redmi fashion, the company has shared some details of the phones on its Weibo profile, so in this video let us talk about everything we know so far about the Redmi K50 and K50 Pro. So starting off with the design, the Redmi K50 and K50 Pro look the same as the CAD-based renders that we saw last month. So there is a design inspired by the iQOO 7 legend. So the rectangular camera module has a two-tone design, and on the top portion, the three cameras are placed in a triangular fashion. On the bottom part, there is the LED flash module. Both the phones have a fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button on the side, and there is a flat screen with a hole punch in the center. None of the two phones have a headphone jack, but both the phones have an IR blaster on the top, X-axis linear motor, and a stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos. Redmi also talks about a color option where the back panel has a unique design, which the company says is a result of nano microcrystalline process. As for performance, the Redmi K50 has the recently launched MediaTek Dimensity 8100 SoC, whereas the K50 Pro has Dimensity 9000 SoC. Both these phones support Bluetooth 5.3 along with LC3 codec, and they are the first phones to have these. Compared to the version 5.2, the Bluetooth version 5.3 offers a lower latency and also lower power consumption. There is support for 160 MHz Wi-Fi 6 and NFC. For better cooling, the phones have a vapor chamber cooling system. Redmi has also revealed that the phone with Dimensity 9000 has an E4 AMOLED with a Quad HD Plus or a 2K resolution. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus and gets an A+ certification by DisplayMate. The company did not say anything about refresh rate, but it is most likely a 120Hz panel. Some other features of this panel include Dolby Vision support, a 526 ppi pixel density, and DC dimming. Well, there could be a Redmi K50 Pro Plus as well like last year, but Redmi has not yet revealed anything about that phone. Anyways, the Redmi K50 series is looking pretty solid on paper. Outside China, we can expect these phones to launch under the Poco brand, just like the last year's phones. What do you think of the Redmi K50 series? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I will catch you in the next one.